This woman got pregnant, so she decided to make a fake ultrasound of her cat and tricked the cat into thinking the baby was his. The cat believed it, and after the baby was born, the cat took on the role of a father and stayed by the baby's side all the time. Even while it was eating, it would stop to run over as soon as it heard the baby cry. The cat didn't just play with the baby, he helped in other ways as well. Whenever the baby was hungry, he would remind the woman to make food, and while the baby was sleeping, the cat would check the diaper. The cat even went on walks with the baby, and unexpectedly, the baby grew very close to the cat. If he didn't see the cat, he cried loudly, but the moment the cat came back, he immediately stopped. And if this made you smile, subscribe!